Solid waste. Anything which goes into trash is solid waste. Municipal solid waste is nothing but all the solid waste collected from trash bins of schools, hospitals, offices and all other buildings. Now, these solid waste, they may be of three types: biodegradable, recyclable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable solid waste are peels of vegetables, fruits, paper, cloth, etc. These wastes are to be dumped in land and they can be decomposed themselves by microorganisms. Now the recyclable waste. These are the waste which can be recycled, that is upon recyclation or after recyclation they are ready for reuse. The biggest and the major pollutant or the major problem is non-biodegradable solid waste, because it can neither be biodegraded, that is decomposed, nor can be reused. So this is the major reason for pollution. Sanitary landfills. Initially what we used to do, we used to throw the waste like that, but these days big dumps have been dug out, waste is being dumped into that, and every day after dumping it is being covered with dirt or dust so that the decomposition process is initiated. Agrochemicals and their effect. As we know, during green revolution, the usage of inorganic fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides, germicides, etc. have been used to, or the usage have been raised to a very high level. Now what happened? The usage of these chemical components leads to eutrophication, that is passage of these components to non-target organisms, because agricultural waste usually consist of agrochemicals which are to be discharged in water bodies, and thus it leads to eutrophication. Radioactive waves. Initially it was found or thought that radioactive material is the safest method, the most non-polluting method to generate electricity. But later on it was discovered that it is the most dangerous one, because other pollutants may be hazardous to life, but yes, radioactive waves causes cancer which is irreparable. It cannot be repaired. The two major drawbacks of radioactive waves is that accident leakage may occur, and there is an issue of safe disposal of radioactive waste. How it is to be disposed? It is believed that in safe suitable containers, radioactive waste should be buried in the rocks 500 meter deep inside the rocks. Now what is e-waste? E-waste is electronic waste. Usually developed countries, they send their e-waste to developing countries so that this e-waste can be recycled and reused, but the manual recyclation of e-waste leads to exposure of toxic substances to the person who is recycling, and yes, it may lead to certain deleterious and hazardous impact to that person, but the only method to overcome e-waste is recycling only. So these are solid waste, agrochemicals and their effects, and radioactive waves. These all are pollutants and the ways which we have derived to overcome these pollutants.